morning, everybody. Do we have my screen up there? There we go. Good morning, my Benzinga peeps. A couple of things we're looking at early. We are looking at Myrna. Just spiked down $12. So we're going to look for a far from moving average trade if we get below 310 in Myrna. Maybe we'll get it early. Otherwise, we're just going to hang out. Stock is now down 30 points. UPST. Yeah, all these things are doing the same thing. 284 is good in UPST. I kind of like that. Facebook has all sorts of problems. We're keeping our eyes on Facebook. We got a little market down at 330, 350. Solid, you're long at 312.82 in Myrna. Good morning, everybody. Going to add on the way down, all right? Look, Myrna did it last Friday. It was down like 30 points, and then it had a freaking giant 20-point rally at it at some point. Good morning, my Benzinga family. What's going on, everybody? So Facebook's on the radar. NVAX, we have a little order out down at 157.50. That's down 10 points from here to start looking. Merck is on the radar. We are watching Merck. See if it pulls back for a little trend trade. Hope everybody had a good weekend. What up, Dylan? Yes, Merck is on the radar. We'll see if it sets up for a trend or gets a smack and dacker. Down from here. Now, Myrna, guys. Okay, we'll look far from moving average. I have a tiny order out at 310 and a tiny order out at 308. Actually, I don't even like 310. I'm waiting till 308. Yeah, we'll see if we get the big bouncer off the opening in Myrna. We are not committing to anything early this morning in these things. I'd rather try to find the far from moving average trade. The next real spot in Myrna is like 257. Yes, Tesla, nice. Yeah, we've liked Tesla for a while. So that could be setting up for a good trend trade today. Up. We'll keep our eyes on it. Bitcoin has been very, very good. I like it. Our biggest position was SoFi, guys. We were long around $14, right? We sold stock at $16.50, $17, and $17.50. And I'm down to like 50%. I still love it long term. But that was a good trade for us. I don't know if you guys got involved with us down there. UPST. 284. All right, good. RDHL. You guys doing something in RDHL? RDHL is a put away if you like it. We'll concentrate on Myrna early, guys. Maybe we get the far from moving average trade. Again, there is nothing here anywhere. So 5 shares at a time until we get the far from moving average, if we get it. Otherwise, we'll have 5 or 10 shares. Up 308 and 306. And we'll see what happens. I am using Interactive Brokers for my trading platform. And charting is Thinkorswim. You have a real order in UPST at 283. Okay. Again, guys, I'm going to concentrate on Myrna early. I'm not going to have more than 10 or 15 shares anywhere. Let's see what she does. So what are you adding to this? I know you started at 312. Right now we have 12 shares. Our average is 308 in Myrna. Sell a little Myrna up here, guys. Holy mackerel. Selling some Myrna, 312. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Getting out of the balance up here, guys. Take the profits. 312.36 if we get there. Oh, I tried to get out. Out of Myrna. Boom, chaka-laka laka, guys. That's how we start a day. We got 308 and 306. Holy mackerel. Best trade ever. That was my day. Wow. Nice job, guys and girls. Good way to start the day. All right. Facebook, what are we doing? Ooh, we got the 334 and change Facebook. I wanted the marker at 330, 350 for far from moving average. NVAX, cancel. GM, cancel. What's Merck doing? Holy Myrna. That was the one, guys and girls. 308, 306, traded up to 315. Boom. All right. Again, Facebook's only far from moving average, so we're not buying it. We'll just look. One reason I like Facebook a little is because of Kramer not liking it. Roku, what do we got, guys? Yep, I'm looking. Roku. Well, we got 302.66 to get off of moving average. Let's do it. Let's get a market there. 302.66. I like that in Roku. We'll start with 5 shares down there if we get there. Facebook hit for the far from moving average. Let's go look. Ooh, Facebook actually hit the pivot point at 332.21 and bounced. So let's wait. Again, Roku, we start small. We look far from moving average. I'm not doing anything in Facebook yet. Facebook, 331. We start with a little bit, and then we go far from moving average. Again, guys, no positions in these things. Just relax. Keep it small. We get Roku yet? Roku bounced. I think we probably just got the far from moving average in Facebook. Right around 332.50. That was it. But I don't think it's done. Let's relax. All right, we missed Roku. Boeing. Yeah, 224.90. It bounced. All right. Myrna went up 13 points. Myrna. Netflix. Wow, Netflix to the pivot point, guys. I don't know if anyone got it there. Look at that, guys. Netflix exactly hit our pivot point, it looks like. Went down $5. Wow. All right, cancel Roku. Cancel Merck. Anyone posted? I saw someone posted Netflix. Kenny Allen. What a short that was. It went down $5 right off our pivot point. Holy mackerel, I say. Yeah, I think Tesla's still a better buy, guys, on a pullback. SQ short. I don't know. Be careful shorting these things. Oh, SQ, guys. What do we got in SQ? The spread is not too bad in SQ if we want to look far from moving average. Keep your eyes on it. Go to the 1 minute in SQ. I'm looking for a level we don't have. Wow, SQ Roku getting a smackdown. Roku's down there now, guys. Well, just be patient this morning, guys. I don't want anyone getting in trouble. Roku, 302.50, guys. It hit our pivot point for a $1.50 trade. I don't know if you guys got it. Wow. Roku, 302.50 was perfect. Jeez Louise. Had a swing in cold. Good. Excellent. Well, I would take some profits in Netflix, Chief. You have to. It's always pertinent, even if you're in it for the long term. All right, what are you guys doing UPST, Lou? Almost got to that freaking 283. Guys, that's good with Lou if it gets there fast. Wackadoodle morning, huh? With these things. AMC, 3730 pivot point. I don't like it. Too close for me. I like 3640 in AMC. You guys know how I feel about AMC. I gave you my thesis last week. All right, over. My whole system just shut down. All right, Jake, are you in any trades? I hope not. All right, good. Then relax. Facebook 331. We're going to start looking far from moving average if we get there, guys and girls. All right. Myrna. A lot of people made their week this morning in Myrna. TQQQ is sitting on a little level right now, but the market's weak here, guys. I mean, we just hit 123.80, which was a little bounce. Out of UPST, did it hit it, guys? Lou, what do you have, 284? Yes, 284, guys. 284. I'm not trading NVIDIA, Solly. Good luck. Lou had out 284 and 283. All right. NVIDIA is my nemesis. I hate NVIDIA. Sal, you're in at 202.65. All right. See what happens. I mean, again, around 201, NVIDIA is far from moving average. 50 cents, guys. Get a little NVIDIA 201 out there. I like that to start there. Again, guys, patience this morning. Just relax. Goldman Sachs short here. Let's see. Did we miss the post in UPST? It doesn't matter. It's already down. Yeah, guys, don't trade NVIDIA. I do not like NVIDIA. All right, let it come in. Let's look for far from moving average trades and all these things. Otherwise, I don't like them. Just relax. Goldman Sachs short here. No, I mean, if you did a little on a pivot, all right, see what the next move is. You know, NVIDIA, we're getting close to a 20 RSI, so let's wait and get the far from moving average. BTU. BTU looks good. Yes, on the long side. ILMN. I don't see anything. We got a pivot at 384. Could be good, Kevin. Right? 384 could be nice. Facebook coming in again. Again, Facebook, we have the RSI. So let's see if we can hit that 331 for a little far from moving average trade. Skills. Nothing in a $9 stack. The whole market's coming in a little bit, guys. That's why things are going down. Spiders are fine, though. I don't get it. Wow, SQ. All right. I mean, we got 225.60 in SQ. I really like. See what happens there. Facebook, did we miss it? I think we just missed Facebook. Guys, these things are a crapshoot going down here. You got levels? Okay, fine. But Facebook would have been good. NVIDIA should get a bounce here somewhere. Again, I like that 201. It just went up $1. Nothing's really setting up, guys and girls. We're kind of just sitting here now. I can't pick the bottom of these things. You guys, God bless you if you can. I certainly can't. FedEx, you know, we kind of like for a swing. We wanted to get to our 217 level on a weekly chart. It didn't. And now it's bouncing a little bit. We had orders out to buy that at 217. It just never gave it to us. Yeah, it looks like a better buy right now than anything else. Boyle. Boyle could be a nice little trend trade. Yes. SoFi. Yeah, SoFi's fine, Sal. There's no reason to even mention it. Leave it alone. We're good. The video just missed 201 now for the far from moving average trade, so we don't like that anymore. On a 200 in the video to start. Off a moving average. Are you adding to the video here? What are you doing? David cleaned up the charts. I hate Monday, so I'm sitting on my hands. Look, guys, it takes one trade in Myrna this morning. Everybody hit their goals. Some people hit their goals for the week. So let's just relax. It is what it is. I'm not seeing any great setups. So we faked. T-Doc, I like the trend, yes. That stinks, Joseph. All right, whatever. Relax. I think I'd rather be short Facebook than long. What do you guys think of that? I mean, this thing has no bounce in it. I don't like 331. 300. Facebook. Morning to just be patient, guys. Facebook. 300. We stop buying a little. NVIDIA has a pivot at 199.50. All right, good. So I have it at 200. We'll start looking for off a moving average. I like it, Terry. What is the stop on Myrna with current volatility? Yeah, at least $2. Don't short Myrna. This is what Myrna does every day. It'll probably sit here and go up another 10 points later in the day. Nice job, Richard. Except don't talk about money. You know that. Don't talk about money. Merck. Merck's dead in the water. Merck could be a buy down on a 65 EMA at 82.20. That's a spot I would be looking. 82.20. No, that's all right, Rich. It's just a jinx. We don't like to do it. Don't talk about what you lose and don't talk about what you make. Just trade. Trade, 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 trade. Love. Yeah, Love's a nice trend trade, Kevin. I like that one. That one's hanging in there. 54.11 is good in Love. I like it. I have Facebook at 300. Oh, what did I mean? 330? Yes, 330. We're going to buy 5 shares, and we're going to look for off a moving average in Facebook. We're getting there. 330, 329. We should be getting set up for a fall for moving average trade soon. Now 330 and 329.50. We're $4 away from the moving average now. All right, we got a tiny bit at 330. 329.50, we go to the 1 minute, guys. BTU. You love it at 300. Yeah, I don't think we're going to see 300 either. It threw in the green bar right around 329.90, guys. So it kind of gave the fall for moving average already. But hasn't given much of a profit yet. So let's see if we get to the 329.50. We're going to get a big bounce in this at some point. So we're going to buy small. 329.50, 329. If we get to 329, we start looking for off a moving average. NVIDIA. I mean, you're not getting bounces in any of these things. They're ugly. Yeah, again, NVIDIA, I like the 200. We missed it. I don't like it anymore now. If you get 50 cents in Facebook, just take it. I mean, this is no bounce in Facebook. Really. 330.50. ZENE, NVIDIA pivot point. Yeah, again, we almost got to the pivot point in NVIDIA and we bounced. I mean, Facebook's down $11. It can't go up 50 cents, right? Sick. I guess it did give the fall from moving average, guys, around 329.80. And you would have got a quick 50 cents out of it. So it worked. Weekly on Facebook is 328.40. Wow. Okay. I like that. This thing is ugly, guys. Ugly. No bounce. 0.0. So if we get to 329, we'll definitely start looking far from moving average. UPST was a nightmare for a little bit. Yeah, so is Myrna, right? UPST went up $8. Myrna went up $15. I'm buying Facebook puts for years out if possible. I don't know about that. I think it'll be all right. I think it'll be all right eventually. Wow, oil is ripping. Rippy dip. Not stretched though yet, oil. We got 50 cents in Facebook. Let's leave 329 out. 50 cents is better than nothing. Right? Yeah, huge reversal in Netflix. 602 Netflix, guys. Okay, if I'm not paying attention. Roku didn't give the far from moving average. I bet you it did, but it might have been a little spready to get. I mean, we could have got 299, right? Could have got 299. I don't know. These things still don't look good to me. UCO. $91 oil. Wow. All right, these are starting to get stretched, guys. I mean, UCO is $7 above the moving average. We'll keep our eyes on that in the next day or two. I'm not going to short some of these things. Facebook being broken up is not necessarily a bad thing. Oil's a good trend trade, yes, guys and girls. Ooh, I got to sit up a little bit. Do we like Netflix, guys? I kind of like Netflix, no? 602, guys? What do you think? And 22 points. You guys like it with me down there? Anyone like Netflix at 602? There we go. I kind of like it too. Just pop down. We buy a little Netflix, 602. Try to get a quick dollar out of it. Neo. Again, you know, Neo looks weak. Looks weak on every chart. Looks weak on daily. Looks weak on weekly. Looks weak on everything. Palantir, I always like, but no, we're getting cheap again in Palantir. Palantir, daily is 23. We were long the stock at like $18. So here we go. I like Palantir around 21.30. Longer term, guys. 21.30. That's the weekly support level in PLTR. 21.30. It would be a swing trade. Facebook getting a little bouncy bounce. Got the 329.60. I don't know. I don't even like Facebook, guys. You know where I like Facebook? 325.50. That's where I like Facebook. 325.50. Oil. Oil's a short at 90, and it's a trend trade, guys. Trend trade on a pullback, Sharon. Nvidia. Ugh. Ugly. Well, did we hit the pivot? 199.50? We did. And it's given a little trade, Terry. So if anyone got it there, just trade it. All right? Take 50 cents. I mean, this thing looks like crap, too. Between 50 cents and $1, get out. In the video. It did hold. It only went 30 cents below. Netflix bounced. That would have been a beauty if we could have got there. Up 1% on TPR. When should I sell? Is it a long-term holding? TPR? Look, everybody in my room, everybody on Benzinga, I am a big proponent of taking profits, guys. Okay? I always want to put money in the bank. So I would sell at least 25%, at least. And then hope you're wrong. That's it. Apple? No, too close, Steve. Too close at 140.22. Look, you guys know Apple. Oh, let me look. That was a 1 minute, but it's still too close. You guys know Apple is my biggest holding, and I've had it for the longest time, right? And I sell from time to time. I want to start buying a little Apple back if we get to 134. That's daily, and 125 is weekly. That's the spots I like in Apple, again, for investment-wise. All right, Roku 293 is a big spot, Lou, that I really like, right? I mean, we have pivot points down there. Netflix would have been a home run, guys. That would have been a nice trade if we got smacked down there. XENE. It bounced a little bit. Dave, Neo RSI, why is it not bouncing and stuck on 36? Why is it not bouncing? Oh, you're stuck at 36. Look, the bottom line is There's more sellers than buyers. I mean, that's why it's down. Selling some Facebook. Got $1.50 on a trade. Where'd we get Facebook? What price did you get Facebook? Oh, 330. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, I only had a little bit out there and was going to look for the far from moving average anyway, Alex, but good trade. Anyone else have Facebook from 330 with us? It was good. All right, it was a spot. I mean, it was due for a nice bounce. So Neo, you know, you got to go by technicals. To me, once this thing broke like 35.60, right? It got below all the moving averages on a daily and on a weekly. Look, if you have it for long term, I would add some around 32 if you have it for long term. All right, so a bunch of you guys got the Facebook trade at 330. Very nice. Good. It was due for the bouncy wouncy. Cop is a better buy than sell. You bought Facebook at 330. Take profits. Take profits. We're traders, guys. You just got 2.5 points in Facebook. Say thank you very much. Okay. NVIDIA had a nice bounce from 199.50. Look, here's the bottom line, guys and girls. All our pivot points held beautifully. Right? NVIDIA 199.50. Right? Just gave you $1. Gorgeous. Facebook 300. 330. Just gave you $2. Beautiful. You got it at 330, gang? All right. You have it at 332.75. My stop is 331.50 now on Facebook. Don't be piggy. All right? Don't be piggy with day trading. Facebook, I'm holding long term since $258. Very nice. Good for you. Excellent. Murner and Facebook were the trades. Okay. Lou, you're shorting UPST? Just for you guys who are on Benzinga, you guys know. 288.80 and 290.40. Lou, it just missed it by 6 cents. All right, you're in it now. All right, losing a little UPST short, 288.40. He's adding at 290.40. 288.40, 290.40. Again, Abdul, I'm always of the mindset to take profits, even in my long-term investments. That's what I do. It's just prudent to put money in a bank. All right, Lou, average is like 289.50, something like that. Okay. 289.50 in UPST. You know, have like a $2 stop. Start covering some for 50 cents and $1. If it goes down. Yes, Tesla's in a nice uptrend. I mean, I'm not buying anything at $797, but I'm not in a hurry to do anything right at the moment. Where'd you get the Boeing, Jim? Did you get the Boeing on the 65? 225? No way. Oh, you got it on the 200 at 225 Boeing. Wow. Boom. So everything you guys are seeing here, all my Benzinga peeps, is all based on the technical analysis that we have. And technical analysis today has been spectacular in a lot of different stocks. All right? Boeing hit our 200 EMA. It's giving you $3. I'm not in a hurry to short these drug stocks, guys. Facebook gave you the trade. Get out. Very nice. Thank you. Myrna. This is what Myrna does every day, guys. Right? Yeah, I mean, I would have liked Myrna up here, guys, at 327 if we spiked right up there. That I would have liked. Yes. We're kind of sitting in the middle now, Steve. SoFi. Again, SoFi is one of my biggest long-term holdings. 200% of daily goal on Facebook. Nice job, Davey. We were on last month at SoFi, guys, when it was 14 when we gave it to everybody. Our average price is $14.18 in SoFi. I have sold. So here's a good example, guys, about taking profits, right? So that was one of my biggest holdings down at that level. I sold stock at 16.50, 17, and 17.50. And I'm down to about 30% of my position, which I will add to now on a pullback. But we made 30% on the trade in less than a month. You take profits. Boeing looks very good now. Yes, I like Boeing. Yes, yes, yes. Myrna. Lou, I would cover some of my UPST break even. It could be Myrna setting up for an uptrend, but it's hard to buy this uptrend when the stock was 11 points higher. Ugh. Again, guys, I'm not doing these drug stocks. They're just too risky for me right now. I'm not risking a good day. BBBY looks like a nice uptrend, Abdul. I like it. Looks good. That doesn't mean you run back into it, but it looks good. Fairly new trader. Appreciate the advice. Excellent, gang. Look, I have 90 people in the private trading room. I get about 400 private messages a day. My trading isn't that important, but just do what I tell you to do. You'll be okay. Goldman Sachs short 387. Yes, I like Goldman short up there. Yes. Well, look, before we get out of here today, guys and girls, okay, one, I'll tell you guys about the course that we have that's 6 hours long that is spectacular, that you can purchase and get my mentorship every Thursday night. And two, better than that, I'm going to invite everybody that's here today to come into the room for a 5-day free trial this week. Remind me before we get out of here. So when we leave today, you'll be able to come into the room and hang out with us for the next 5 days. Do not consider fundamentals in any way, shape, or form, gang, when we're trading. I just didn't want to short these things, guys. I mean, now it's coming to a short spot, UPST. 295.10. I mean, the stock just went up $6. And again, I would do it very small. 295.10. Well, how close did we just come? I don't like it. Yeah, it's a better buy now. No, that was the trade, guys. It just hit 295.10 and gave you $1. That was the trade, guys. You get it, Ken? You guys get this? 295.10. That was the trade for $1. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I got that too late. So here's some technical analysis for everybody. Now we had the stock go from 283 to 295 and hit our 65 EMA. It hit 295.20. I got there a little late. I couldn't put my order in. Only went above it by 15 cents and gave a quick $1.50. Boom. So that was the good place to short it. Myrna, let's look. So we teach you all this technical analysis and everything, guys, in the course, and I'll give some lessons this week when you guys come into the room. I am not on a delay, Robert. No. This is live real-time trading. I have a real trading account. Every time we get into a trade, I'm getting in with all my traders. Obviously, everybody trades at their own risk, but no, I am trading live, real in person. I think you guys might be behind a little bit by like 10 seconds. A couple of people are telling me. All right, so UPST just gave you back the $2 that you would have lost, guys. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Very nice. Sava short, Boyle trend trade setting up. So you guys might be delayed by a few seconds. Sava short. 62.44. I like Sava short. Let's do it. No, I do this every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with Benzinga, and every day, all day, in my private trading room with my traders. Bros, guys, I know you guys mentioned it earlier. I think I missed it, obviously. You get in on a trend, bros? You got some profit out of it already. Okay, good. I am from New York, and I am in Florida now. So, UPST, guys, it took $2 away. I just gave you $2. It actually just went down $3. $2.95 to $2.91. It went down $4. Holy mackerel, UPST. What a nice trade that was. Well, that was the time I said I liked it, Adam. All right, regroup. It's no big deal. Move on. No, I'm not buying the video on a double bottom. Don't like it. No. And Facebook, guys, I told everybody to take profits, right? Benzinga peeps. Told you to have a 331.50 stop. Don't be piggy. Yes, yes. Good trade. Again, we're trading. As soon as we put Sava out, it got the smackdown. Boyle, let's look. Let's see, Sharon. Well, the trend is 85.38 in Boyle. So that would be the spot, Sharon. It's on the 9 now, but I'd be a little more patient. Wait for the 85.38 and do it small. That's the trend. It's good. OTMO. Don't know what that is. Sounds like a penny stock. Microsoft. Yeah, 282 Microsoft is good. I like it. Pivot point. Yes, spiders coming in. Yeah, big red candle in the spiders. Wow. So be careful buying stuff now, guys. The market's coming in, right? I don't like MGM. That's not enough of a move to do anything. UPST just went down $6. Yeah, I'm not buying these things on trends now either. Just not doing it. Thanks, Alex, for the BE call. Which one? What BE call? I can't buy UPST on a trend when it was down $10 from here. What stock, Joe? Short Ford? Nah, I would never short Ford. It's too cheap. Oh, you guys got out break even and you took a couple of pennies in bros. Okay, good. Good call, Alex. Excellent. How about bros down here, guys, on the 200? Down from 48, 45.12. Alex, good with you? Bros? Yeah, let's do it. Doing it. That's a place to be a little aggressive, guys. 45.12. I'm going to put out 200 shares with a stop. I like it down there. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So when something moves a lot, I'm going to tell my people to be more aggressive. No, the VIX doesn't care right now, Alex, at all. I'm thinking about being long some VIX stuff. I don't like this market. I think sometime this month we're going to get a big smackdown. Mara looks like a better buy than sell, right? Yes. Just broke out a little bit above a couple of levels. SCWX. Let's take a look. I got nothing in Secure Works. I'll go to the daily. So, guys, for 5.5 hours every day in the private trading room, I am with my traders going over every trade live in real time. Yeah, Spider's coming in pretty good here. Maybe some double bottoms. I don't know. I still would rather look for far-from moving average trades than double bottoms this morning, guys. Guys, I'm sorry if you didn't get that second pop-up in UPST. That was the real spot. I mean, a real good spot anyway. Stink on ice. SQQQ. Yeah, I mean, you could be long a little bit of that one. Preview, it's $8, right? Yeah, that's not bad. Not going to really move against you. SE, I don't see anything right now. It's not moving. Keep in mind, guys and girls, if I flip through a stock really quick that you guys are putting up, it's because there's no trade setting up. If you want me to look longer term, that's something that we can do. But if I don't see any trades setting up, that's why I'm just skipping right through it. JNUG is sitting on some daily resistance with room up to 56 and change. But looks like a better buy right now. Tesla 810, BNTX. Short on the 200. I like it in BNTX, guys. Again, keep everything small, especially in these things. Tesla 810. All I know is that, Sharon, you have been crushing it in this thing every single time. You can sell a 680 put for this week for $1.55 in Tesla, guys. That is money in the bank. I mean, that is money in the bank. 680 put. You're really getting $1.50 on that, Sharon? Wow. That's crazy. That's easy money to me. I don't think you want to short, Jane. I don't know if you guys are familiar with options, but when we're selling a put, that this means we don't think the stock can get there by the end of this week, and it would have to go down $130. You want to short, Jane? I like the higher level. Right now, it looks like a better buy. I mean, it might have been all right if we got right there. But, guys, that's not even $1 up in JNUG. Not even $1 up. It's not. AIV. I don't have any thoughts on AIV. Rio, if you like it, it's something that you can buy for long term. XENE. I am up 500%, 85% on calls. So if you buy it by 2 cents and sell it at 5 cents, you're good. Which one, Kent? Myrna, we missed on the short? Or did it not get there? It got there. 326.50. Ah, Ken, come on. It gave you a quick $1 in 30 seconds. What poop? There's no other poop going on. What other poop is going on? BNTX, what happened? What are we doing in BNTX? BNTX hit the pivot point. I don't see anything there. UPST, you got hit on the VWAP. Did you post the UPST on the VWAP at 288? It's a good quick trade. Very nice, Connie. Got $1. Wow, things are moving fast this morning in these crazy wackadoodle stocks. Cancel the bros, guys. It bounced. Okay, thank you, Alex. Nice job this morning, Alex. QQ's coming in. Yep. Apple. Facebook. Facebook almost did a double bottom. EU drug regulators approves Pfizer Moderna booster shots. Okay, that means everyone's going to be able to get them? Oh, no, that's EU. Who cares? What good does that do me? Hey, now. How many people that are joining us in Benzinga? Oh, okay. Are actively trading. Give me some ones. If you guys are actively trading, actively day trading, pop in some ones. Not my guys. I know you guys are. Snap. Cool. So a lot of people are actively day trading. Okay, good. Excellent. How many people who are actively trading are having problems figuring this out? Give me some twos so we can differential. Steve's having some trouble. Good. Good. That's good. That's why you're here. That's why you come into the room. ASMI. Okay. I can tell you guys that the biggest reason that you're having problems is, number one, you don't have proper money management. And number two, you're not trading with any kind of plan. Right? Those are the two reasons. The biggest reasons why people fail at this is money management. That is it. They don't know what to do once they get in a trade. They don't have stop orders. You're down 75 grand in 2 weeks, down 750,000 in 7 months. Well, at least you're honest about it, Lee, ain't it? If you want to stop losing money, come into my room and purchase the course. First step is stopping to lose money. That's number one. I can tell you this, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in my room will tell you this, that we make money. That's the bottom line. My trading room makes money if you follow all the rules all the time. I think we're around, and I'm not making this up, somewhere close to 80% for the year. For the year on our trades. But you can see we don't have a lot. We're patient. We're disciplined. We wait for things to set up. How many stocks do you focus on at any given time? Do I like SQ at the pivot point? Let's look. I do like SQ at the pivot point if we can get there fast. But we just bounced $2. But I like that. Yes. Let's see if we get there. Wall Street bets. We stay away from Wall Street bets, Gang Green. As a matter of fact, I have a lot of people that come into the room and buy the course that are still stuck in some of these stupid stocks from Wall Street bets. Blink 182. One thing we will do is avoid those things. No, I do not like Blink. Blink looks horrible on a daily chart, on a weekly chart. I don't like it. Roy, before we leave here today, I'm going to give everybody a link to come hang out in the room for the rest of this week, and then we can talk about that. No, the course, and guys, let's just see if we can find any more trades for the next little bit, and then we'll talk about it. The course has nothing to do with my private trading room. The course, when you buy the course, which is only like $400 and something, it's 7 hours, and you get me every Thursday night for mentorship forever. Trading room's a separate entity. We'll talk about it before we get out of here. Let's see if we can get... Yeah, Laura, if you've lost that kind of money, and I'm not saying I'm the person for you, but you got to get some help. 100%. You have to get some help. Excellent course. Thank you, Born to Free. Yeah, it's great. It's 7 hours. It's just cool. Can I set up different accounts with multiple brokerages to bypass the pattern day trading rule? Gang, another thing. Come into the room if you want. I'll talk to you about that, trading accounts and all that stuff. What happened in the video, Sal? You bought more. If you sold it up higher, you're all right. Look, we're kind of losing volume in this market now already, right? Market's rallying. I'm not seeing any good support, good levels setting up now. Down 32% in skills. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, I mean, this stock is just horrible. Looks horrible on a daily, looks horrible on a weekly, looks horrible on every chart. All right, hold on, guys. Short NVAX, let me look. Yes, NVAX is good at 180.55, guys. Yes. I don't think it's going to get there. BNTX, let's look. Well, if you have stop orders on your trades, then you're never stuck. That's the bottom line. BNTX, I don't see it now. Oh, the 4 hour, 255. I like that. Roku coming in again. Let's look. 293.20 Roku. I'm putting it out. Yeah, I love. Well, I'm not going to say love, but that's a great spot in Roku. 293.50. That's our pivot point. be making new lows. I don't think it made it. It did make it, the NTX, to the 200. I don't think it quite did. It looks like to me like that missed that by like 5 cents, BNTX. Yeah, exactly. Look at that. 252, it went down $3. This is the place to learn here with Benzinga and David's Courts. We'll put you both on the right path. There you go. Is call option volume opposite of put option volume? Yes, it is. 100%. We're not going to get INMD. This is a wackadoodle stock, INMD. It's crazy. Whack. Again, we do stop orders on every single trade that we do. I'll give the Roku $2, guys. We're not going to get Roku. It's not happening. UPST, you're doing a double bottom. I don't even remember what it was. 281.13. I like it. Let's do it. 281.20. We're not getting that either, Lou. I don't think. We'll put it out for a couple minutes. Lou, if it starts getting close or not close, let me know. We'll cancel it. I don't think we're getting Roku, and I don't think we're getting UPST right now. So everything we do here is just based on technical analysis. AMC, good for a swing from the 30s to the 50s. Done it several times. I have my own theory about AMC. You don't want me to share it, especially if you like the stock. But I'll still trade it. 100%. I'll tell you, before Wall Street Bets got involved in this thing was heading to $28. Oh, there's KK, guys. Neo is killing me, down over 40%. Down over $8,000 today. I don't think you learn much when you're in our room, KK. So, I don't know what to tell you. Guys, our biggest thing is having stop orders in every single trade that we do. That's our biggest thing. We limit our losses. Much more important than worrying about how much we're going to make. Yeah, I like the FedEx trend, guys. If it pulls back to the 15, though, not the 9. Jake, I do too. Roku's good if we get the Smackadaka, guys. Do it. Do it. Do it right now. Can Sovo run more? All right. We got a good chance for both now. Okie dokie. We'll give them a few more minutes. Lilani, it's cool. Okay. You gotta start over. And again, it doesn't have to be with me, but I'm saying you have to start over, give it up to a higher power, forget about where you are, and just go from there. That's it. You got to start somewhere. So, yeah, Roku, we have a pivot point at 293.20. That's why I liked it. It's a buy, but we're not getting there. Canceling it. UPST is a double bottom if we get to 281.20. We ain't getting that either. Cancel it. So everything we do is just based on technical analysis, guys, which you're going to learn in the course, or I'm going to teach you in the room. Sava, let's look. VIXY short at 28. Spiders. Yeah. Guys, I do not like VIXY short. Although the stock just stinks. It just doesn't do anything. Sava, 57. Down from 59.30. Let's do it. Yes, I like Sava. That's the pivot point, right? Good. Market hasn't even started to go down. I mean, saying we're going to, but I think we are at some point. 57 good in Sava. Donkey Kong double bottom. Here's the problem right now. We're just not getting any follow through, guys. What is your preferred stock news source for researching trades? Benzinga. Benzinga Pro is the best out there, guys. Best news service, best for scanners. I mean, you're on it right now. Yeah. Let's make sure we have that posted too, guys. 2-week free trial with Benzinga. They are the greatest, man. That is your source for news. NVIDIA acts like crap. NVAX can? NVAX worked off the 65. Oh my God, how'd we miss that one? That's the 200, Ken. Gave a quick dollar. You didn't have that out there bracketed? Ah, good. Good. Anyone else get the NVAX? It was posted a while ago. Alex, you did it. Good. Lou did it. Good. Excellent. Good job, guys. Jet got it. Boom. Robin, the whole room got it. So let me show you guys Benzinga, another technical analysis spot that just worked beautifully. This is our 200 EMA, which is our strongest either support or resistance. In this case, the stock was going up and hit resistance exactly at our 200 EMA at 180.50 and gave you $1 trade in about 30 seconds. Now, maybe it took a minute, but absolutely spectacular. There's the trade. Most of the people in the trading room got it. Boom. That's your regular moving average trade. So all this stuff, you guys, you're going to learn in the course when the moving averages are, when to use them, or if you come hang in the room. But that's just spectacular. So, one trade didn't work today, guys, if you did it, but you've gotten that back several times. Goldman just went down $5 here, guys. Yeah, I mean, I think we missed it, but 381.40 was a little spot in Goldman. See what it does now. That's right. One trade has nothing to do with the next. Every trade stands on its own. And take profits. Period. We're traders. You want to talk long-term investing? We can talk about it. But we are traders. Once you get used to doing this and you start increasing your share size, it goes be careful buying stuff now, guys. Market's coming in a little more now. The easiest thing to do is increase your share size from 100 shares to 1,000 shares. That's the easiest thing to do. Just trade. Yeah, the market's getting a little smack-a-dackin' now. His VIX don't go up at all. Everything's down a little bit. Yeah, so again, now I'm looking at stocks that are coming down and even hitting trends or stuff. I don't want to be aggressive here. The market's going down. If the market's going down, chances are all these stocks are going to be going down. So we wait. Be patient. Bros. Look for lower levels or don't do anything. Right? 46.19, bros. And then we got 45.20. I mean, I like 45.20 a little better in that. Yeah, cancel Sava. We're not getting it. Dang. It rallied. Done for the day. Good job. Tesla rolling over. All right. So look, there could be some profit taking in Tesla now. Right? So I wouldn't look to buy Tesla until it got to our 200 EMA down at 786. That's the spot now. Let me look, Robert. A lot of people have trouble with shorts. A lot. Not really, though, Robert. No, I mean, maybe we would have got a far from moving average trade there, but I don't think you missed it. 10 to 20 cents, then sell? No, we don't do trades for 10 to 20 cents. Depending on what trade we get. Look, if we're trading a UPST, if we're trading a BNTX, we're looking to make $1 or $2 in a very short period of time. Right? If you look at BNTX, it just missed hitting our 200. It's down $4 from there. Okay. UPST maybe a double bottom. If you look at NVAX, right? It hit our 200 EMA at 180.50 and went down from there, $2. So if we make between $1 or $2 on these crazy stocks, that's what we're looking for. Some stocks making 50 cents, we're very happy. Other stocks, we want to make between $1 and $2. And if you think about it, guys, let's say you get to the point where you're trading 500 shares and you make $1 twice in a day, right? That's $1,000 a day. That's only $260,000 a week, a year. Not too shabby. Yeah, that's fine if you want to scalp for 10 to 20 cents. It's just not our style. But that's fine. Roku bounced again, Lou. Not happening. Yeah, and we're starting to lose volume now. You know, this is the time of day where we start losing a little bit of volume. Merck, let's look. Watermelon sugar high. Yes, Merck is good at 82.50. That is a regular moving average trade. Out of the lettuce, a little bit of NVAX here. So, you know, it pays to be a little patient in the NVAX, right? So what do you get? Like $1.50 average? Alex, something like that? It's down $3 NVAX. Off our pivot point. So you be a little patient with a little bit of your stock that you have left. Do we like NVAX on a buy? I think I kind of like NVAX if we spike down to 175, no? To me, it looks like it's starting a little uptrend. I like that. Let's do it. $1.50, $2.50, and $2.75. Alex got out of this trade. 175.10. We are buyers of NVAX. 175.10. I think this has started a nice uptrend now. So there's the order out. So you see all day, guys, whenever I put an order out, it's up there for everybody to see well before it gets there. Is Facebook a buy now? No. No. So this is a good lesson, right? Why would I want to buy Facebook when all it's doing is going down? I'd rather be short Facebook on a trend if it goes up a little bit, but that is a horrible looking chart. Why would you want to be long? There's nothing technically anywhere telling me to be long this stock. If it goes to 325, we have a pivot point that is a support level. But no, there is no reason to be buying that right here. AFRM. Another ugly looking stock, right? Yes, this is a short trend AFRM. If we get to 112 and 112.90, next spot we have to buy it is 103. Is Mark going down again here, guys? Yep. All right. Baba, getting close to a daily bottom. I liked Baba last time we got down here because it was really stretched out to the downside. But I wouldn't start buying Baba until our relative strength on a daily chart got below 20. And it's not there yet. Ugly looking chart too. Look. That is an ugly looking chart. Again, when stocks are going down, guys, I'm not looking to catch a falling knife. Unless it sets up for one of our trades, which is a far from moving average trade. Chaka-laka-laka. And it hasn't yet. Roku, what happened in Roku? Oh, you're not bidding anymore. Okay. I got you. I want NVAX on this pop down, guys. All right. Matter of fact, let's go lower in NVAX. Let's go to the VWAP. 174.20, right? I like that better. That's down $6. These stocks are wackadoodle today. I'll tell you that right now. Everything's wackadoodle. VWAP. Oh, I'm doing it down lower, Alex. That's why I like it down lower. On this pop down, 174.20. It'll be down $6. We'll get a bounce. 175.28. It just hit that, Kent. I don't like Sava anymore. Taking too long to get there. And VAX bounced just above the 15 EMA. Yep. Again, we were bidding 175.11, guys. We wouldn't have got it anyway. It got to 175.26. But Ken had a fib there, which would have worked for $1. I'll cancel that for now. These stocks have been good. You know, one that didn't work in UPST, but every other trade has worked in NVAX, BNTX, Myrna. Crazy. Ken had a fib. What do you have, Ken? 175.30 something? I think he posted up there earlier. I'm not sure. Ken is an idiot. Don't follow Ken. All righty then. So we're starting to lose a little volume now. Guys, all these things you see up here are just stocks that I have lottery plays. These are all very small amount of shares that I have. They're all lottery tickets. I don't recommend anybody doing those. Why do you look at a 5-minute chart versus 1 minute? 1 minute chart's not enough information for me to trade off of number. And we start with a 5-minute chart. If I have support and resistance on a 5-minute chart, I don't have to go any further. If I don't, I'll switch to a 15, a 30, 1 hour, daily, weekly. But 1 minute to me, the only time we do that is if we're looking for a far from moving average trade. But it's not enough information to do real trades off of. For us, anyway, for what we do. Love your work, David. Love it from the bottom of my wallet. Look, this whole game is about patience, discipline, and money management. That's it. That's it. That's what it's about. It's not rocket science, but it takes time. We don't use catalyst and yeah, always. By catalyst, if you mean news and stuff like that, short, we're always aware of what's going on. Always. You know, look, we're looking at spiders getting the absolute smackdown now, right? So, do I want to be long stocks when the market's getting smacked down like this? No. And the VIX, Connie. Do we like NVAX guys at the VWAP, though? I kind of like that. That would be down $7. Are you with me? What do you think, Alex? What do you think, Kent? I don't think we're going to get it anyway. How about that? Unless the market keeps going down. I'm only down 6,200 today. Typical day for the past 7 months. Leonie, are these in positions that you're holding? I'm sure it is, obviously. All right, I'm putting this out. 174.20 in NVAX just in case. All right, here's what you have to do. You have to stop trading completely now. Do not trade anymore. I don't care if you sign up with me or not. I'm going to give you a link to my room after this. Come into the room and we'll talk. Okay? But you got to stop trading. I can't tell you what to sell or what not sell right now. 173.62 is a fib, Ken. I don't mind going down there to start. What do you think? I'm okay with that. Usually they overshoot a little bit. Let's do it. Let's go 173.70. I don't think we're going to get either of them. I like that. Probably do both, but we're doing 173.70. Do we like Tesla here? Let's look. Far from moving average on a firm. Again, the market's getting crushed like a potato latkey, but 786, if you're going to do Tesla, you do it very small with like a $3 stop. About to buy Snap for a long hold. All right. You know, with Tesla, okay, it hit the 786. That's your 200 EMA. You know, I would have out definitely $1 and $1.50 profit. And now you can raise your stop order up a little bit. But if the market keeps going down, everything's going to keep going. Yes, I like Facebook down there, Joseph. Please let me know if we get anywhere near there. That would certainly be a far from moving average trade. Yes. So Tesla, guys, just gave you $1, okay, from the spot we said, right? 786, just traded at 787. There's your $1 profit. Now you raise your stop order to break even. Sell a little at 787.50, which you could have just done. And now you made $1, you made $1.50. See what the next move is. Now you can afford to have $1 stop. Perfect.
Hey, David, real quick for a second.
Yes.
Can you just explain to people what the far from moving average trade is?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I can. Let's see if we have. Guys, give me a far from moving average this morning. What we have? Myrna? Yeah, Myrna's good. Okay. Facebook was actually good too, but we'll use Myrna. That's fine. So what we're looking for in a far from moving average trade is it's kind of self-explanatory. I'm waiting till a stock gets very far away from its closest moving average. And we want a stock to be at least $1.50 or $2 away. And if we look at Myrna at this point, the closest moving average was 318, and the stock went to 305. So that's 13 points away from the moving average. The next thing we're looking for is the relative strength if a stock is going down to be below 20. And if we look at the relative strength in Myrna here, at this time, 935, whatever it was, 930, the relative strength was 15. So what that's telling us, when a stock is far from the closest moving average and the relative strength is getting really stretched out on the downside, that we're going to get a bounce in the stock. And the way we play it is we go to a 1-minute chart. And this is how we get involved in it. So we go to a 1-minute chart. I'll go to that time right here. And the second we see the green bar form on a 1-minute chart, we buy this stock with a market order. So we saw the green bar, the reversal bar, around 306. It made a low at 305. So we grab the stock at 306, market order. Our stop order goes a low sale of that bar. We're risking $1. And you can see very quickly, within a minute or two, it went up $5. Bottom line is when a stock gets really oversold, hold on, guys. What's coming in? NVAX. Okay. Don't tell me we just missed it. Don't tell me we just missed it. Oh, come on. No. The VWAP was it for it. Well, we didn't get to the VWAP either. It missed the VWAP by 30 cents. All right, let's give it 1 minute. Let's see if we get to this VWAP. Give it 1 minute. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Got to be on this pop down. So we're trying to get some NVAX at 173.70. We want it on this pop down. Yes, everything's coming in pretty good. But I'm not going to give NVAX forever anyway. No, I don't value level too much. Let me show you guys another far from moving average trade just so you get the hang of it. When something gets really stretched out, especially with a relative strength level. I'm looking at what else do we have? NVAX, Myrna. SQ, good. Here it was an SQ. Okay, if we look at SQ here, we are 232, $5 away from the closest moving average. The relative strength is below 20. Matter of fact, here it was about 11, 13. When a stock does that, you're going to get a bounce. How you get into the stock is the most important thing. And as soon as we see the green bar, we buy. That was 228, and the stock went up $2 in about a minute and a half. So we're looking for something to be way overbought or way oversold. That's just the bottom line. When the stock is way overbought or way oversold, we're going to get a bounce or we're going to get a pullback. How you execute it is the most important thing. We just missed NVAX again. All right, let's can it then. If it breaks this level, we're probably going lower. I think the whole market's coming in too. So that's one of the trades that we do. A bunch of the other trades we do is when things hit our moving averages. Right? If you look at that, we just missed 173.70. We got to 173.90. We missed it by 20 cents. And it went up $1. That was the trade. Another one of the trades we do, and everything we do is calculated, guys. We do not make a trade unless our technical analysis tells us to make a trade. And that's why we make on a lot more trades than we lose. This is another great spot. When a stock goes from 175 to 180, up $5, and hits a technical resistance level, the odds are that this stock is going to stop going up and start going down. And every trade we do is to put the odds in our favor of making a trade. It doesn't work every time, but by using our technical analysis, it puts the odds in our favor of our trades working. Like we just tried to get 173.70 in NVAX, and it got to 173.90. We missed it by 20 cents. If we got 173.70, there's $1 trade already. It would have taken literally 2 minutes for $1 trade profit. Right? $1 trade. That's all we want. Buy 500 shares. You make $500 in a couple of seconds. Tesla was a regular moving average trade. Okay. It hit our 200 EMA. We just gave everybody this trade. A bunch of people in my room got this trade. A bunch of people in Benzinga got the trade. It went down from 804 to 786. Hit our 200 EMA, which is the Great Wall of China. Okay. More often than not, we're getting a bounce off that. And you got a $3 trade. $3 trade that Alan just got. So even if you bought 50 shares and you're a beginning trader, you made $150. But if you're an advanced trader trading 500 shares, that's a $1,500 trade. And it never went below it by more than like 20 cents. That's why technical analysis is so important. Okay. We put that together. Let me look, Alec. We put that together with a service like Benzinga, where we have our news and we have our scanners. And to me, Benzinga Pro is just as important as one of my moving averages. Okay. You put that together with all that stuff and use as many resources as you can. And that's what puts the odds in your favor. I took a trade in Airbnb at 10:15. Well, the only thing you should have been doing in Airbnb at 10:15 is nothing. Why would you do anything at 10:15, Alec? In Airbnb. What's the trade here? There's no moving averages. There's no support levels. There's nothing to do. It's just a downtrend. What regular moving average did you have in Airbnb at 10:25? I have nothing. I don't have a moving average. I don't have a pivot point. I don't have anything. So check with me before you're doing trades. And I'm going to bet that Baidu was the same thing at that time. Especially if you're beginning trading. Say, Dave, I'm looking at this. I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's the same trade. There's nothing to do here. It's just ugly. There was no reason to do those trades. So if you're in the room, please check with me before you do any trades. I will be more than happy to help you. Yeah, Boyle would have been good, guys. Right? 82.50. Yep, there's your bounce. That would have been perfect. What moving averages are you using for the far from moving average? We're not using one, Tom, because we're not going to have any moving averages that we could even look at. So we're looking at the relative strength to tell us that it's oversold or overbought. Okay? When we're looking for far from moving average, we are using the relative strength. Everything's breaking down now, guys. Again, yep. UPST is breaking down. NVAX, you know, the first time we would have got a trade, now it's not working. Any other pivot points in NVAX, guys? 170, 195 you have? I think we should try it, Kent. Let's do it. I like it. We'll be down $10. Doing Kev Fibonacci, guys. 170, 195. Yes. Okay, Ant, we are using. And again, everybody uses different ones. A 9 EMA, a 15 EMA, 65 EMA, and a 200 EMA. Exponential. Those are the moving averages that we use that helps us with our technical analysis and setting up trades. Okay? That's what we use. All exponential. You're cheating and going to 172. I'm with you. Let's do it. I'm going to 172.01 if you're going to 172. I'm going to be a penny above you. Okay, so we're trying to buy NVAX at $172. That is a Fibonacci. We want it to go fast. One of the things in all of our trades, guys, every trade is we want it to go fast. Do you have a target to exit the trade? Yes, Rock and Bud. So we've been 172. People are going to put a bracket order in this. 171 stop. Sell half at 172.50. Sell half at 172.90. Try to get a quick 70 cents out of the trade with a $1 stop. Yes, and we teach you how to do bracket orders and all that stuff also. Yes, yes, yes. NVIDIA is a little better now. It's not bad. It's a little better, but I wouldn't be running in to do anything. Each trade that we do, and we have 5 different trading setups, we have different target prices depending on which trade we're getting in. Trend trades, we want to make a lot more money. Regular moving average trades, we want to get in and out. And I guarantee we just missed NVAX and we missed the trade. That's my guess. And it wouldn't work no matter how much you cheated. All right, so look, guys, this is what we wanted. Quick spike down to 172 would have given us this $1 trade already. And it went to 172.35. We missed it by 35 cents. Now, the second time down, I don't like to do the trade because chances are it's going to break down. No, Alec, but we'll make sure. We'll find out why your charts are different. That is correct, Pete. I know, but you might not have things set up the proper way. Yeah, that would have been a $1 trade, guys. 172.20, 173, in and out. Yeah, the pivot point setting might be off. We'll figure it out in a few minutes. Yes. Yeah, I mean, if guys, you want to get technical on the spiders, let's look. Okay. My first target in the S&P, if we start going down, is 413. That's my first target. That would be down 40 points. That's about an 8 or 9% correction, which is normal. I've been calling for this, for the last month or so, by sometime the end of the year. So that's your first support, 413. A correction brings us to 394. That is what I would really love to see, this part start putting some money back to work. At 394, we're down 45, 50 points, about 11% right here. 11% brings us to 395 on the weekly. 412 is about 7 or 8%. So those are my levels. Those are my levels. If we get pulled back from here. I'd love to see it because I'd like to put some money back into the market. Yeah, it would be healthy to have a 10% correction at some point during the year. Yes, absolutely. All right, a couple of quick things I want to show you guys because I know we only have about 10 minutes left. Let me talk to you guys for 3 minutes about our course. Guys, this is something you should start with, okay? Not that expensive, and it's something you'll have forever. This is Wall Street Global Trading Academy, especially if you're beginning traders. This is going to teach you everything you need to know about day trading. It's over 6 hours of videos and lessons. We start with, let me show you the members area. Especially if you've been struggling. We start with basics, language of the stock market, money management, setting up our charts, trading techniques, swing trading, options, Bitcoin, Q&A archive. The best part about this, guys and girls, anyone who buys this market has not been correcting for months, hurt scam, but how's it been correcting? We're like 3% off our all-time highs, 4%, 5% maybe, but that's not a correction. That's a pullback. So anyone who purchases our course, guys, every Thursday night we get together at 5:30. Forever, you'll get that mentorship from us every Thursday night. If you miss a Thursday night meeting, this is the best. Everything we do is in our archives. And this is what we talk about every single week. If you miss a meeting, take the class. You have it forever. Refer back to it. And Dave at 5 p.m. on Thursdays to ask questions. Yeah, it's the greatest. If you miss a meeting, you just click on the archive and you got it. Money management, think or swim, setup and scanners, trade psychology. All this stuff is here and that we talk about in the course. So that's the course. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. I think we have it discounted just for Benzinga. Maybe Benzinga and someone else, but let me make sure. Let me see. I think we give 10% off for Benzinga. Yes, we do. There we go. 10% off compliments of Benzinga. $447, guys. It is the best thing you'll ever do for $447. And you'll get me every Thursday night. Okay, that's the course. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. I am beyond help. Yeah, nobody's beyond help. All right, hold on, guys. Let me just see. Where we going, Myrna, guys? 317.85. You guys like that, Myrna? 317.85. We're coming down from 325. All right, let's do it if it does it fast. 317.85, Myrna. Let's do it. Do it small, but we need it on this pop down. Bracket it. Bracket it. And then the pivot point, we really like at 314.20. Yeah, got to be on this pop down. Now, the next thing, guys and girls, okay, besides WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, everybody here is invited to come into the room for the rest of this week for free and hang out, ask any questions that you have. That is, send me an email at dgreen927@yahoo.com. Thank you for putting it up. Everybody in the room, when we finish here, send me an email and I will send you the link and you can hang out with us for the rest of the week. You'll hang out for the rest of the week. I'll answer any questions that you have. You'll watch us trade live for the rest of the week, and then we'll take it from there. Last thing I want to talk about, got my goal for the day done. Excellent. Is Benzinga Pro. And let's get that link popped up there again one more time, guys. At least half the people in my room use Benzinga Pro. They are the greatest source for news. They are the greatest source for scanners. I could not do what I do without that. They go hand in hand. It's a beautiful thing. You get a 2-week free trial. It doesn't cost anything. Okay? There you go. Take advantage of that. Laura, you're doing the right thing. We all have been bag holders at some point. I make more money with tight losses. Yes. You got to change your whole thing. All right, cancel Myrna for now. You got to change. Look, if this is something that you want to do, here's what I tell people, okay? And I'm honest with everybody. I'll look, Bill. This is not for everyone. It's not. If you find yourself just constantly losing money and you can't stop yourself, it might not be for you. And I've had a lot of people come to me who are in that situation. Okay? However, if it's something that you want to do, we just missed that Facebook. Right? Nah, not that close. If it's something that you want to do and try to figure out, then obviously you have to stop doing what you're doing. and find a different way. You got to give it up to the higher power. It's like being an alcoholic. You got to know when to stop. Where do we like NVAX, Ken? Give it up to a higher power and learn how to do this if it's something that you want to do. But it's not for everybody. It's just not. Well, I try to be honest with people. But I'm also saying there's a chance and there's a hope. Okay? Yeah, you got to decide which kind of trader you are. A lot of people are hope traders, and they buy things and they just hold them because they think something's going to happen or because they listen to somebody else, which is the worst thing you can possibly do. I don't know. I'm looking for NVAX, guys. You guys got any prices here in NVAX? It broke every level on the downside now. Ooh, 166.20 from this morning, right? Double bottom. That I like. We ain't going to see that, though. 171.95 was a spot. Oh, we didn't exceed that. I went down it by 6 cents, Ken. I would have done that. That was a good spot, Kenny. All right, whatever. Next. I am almost broke now. KK, you've been almost broke for 6 months since I've known you, but you seem to be able to still find money to trade. That's fine too, STBC. Yes, you buy for the long term. Look, even when you buy for the long term, there's a way to do it, which will teach you also. A proper way to buy long-term investments. Yes. So I would say my advice is, if it's something you really want to do, you got to learn how to do it the right way. Throw everything out the window. Stop trading for certain. Because the first thing you have to do is stop losing money. That's number one. That's how you start this journey. Stop losing. Then you learn how to make. Benzinga Pro is awesome. Just finished trial and joined. I will never trade around. I'm with you, man. We putting Myrna back out. 317.82. Okay, I'm with you. Myrna, 317. You guys can start sending me emails now, guys, and I will respond to you when we take our break and start getting you in the room. Would I have taken Myrna at 10.10? 10.10. Taking it for what is the question. It was like 10.05, and that trade worked. And then it went down. Yes. Second time through, it wouldn't have done it. First time it worked as a short, and it gave like $1 trade. Well, I can tell you this. That's great for you that you made $13 million. I know a lot of people that had $13 million that lost it all. So be very, very careful. If I was 23 years old with $13 million, I would have $9 million of it in muni bonds. And, you know, I got to go by an old saying that I have, just so everybody knows. This is a good way to live your lives, guys and girls. I believe none of what I hear and only half of what I see. That's just my philosophy. Boeing. What up, Spence? I hear you in the background now.
I'm here. I'm here.
Anything you want to talk about before we get out of here?
No, you've pretty much covered it today. If you missed any of this, guys, I'll have a recap article up shortly, and David will be back tomorrow, as he is every Tuesday. So if you missed it, you can rewatch it on YouTube or just tune in tomorrow. Same time, same place, hopefully different market. Or not. If you made money today, that's great.
Yeah, let's have this day be every day in the morning. That'll be fine with us.
Yeah.
Thanks for the opportunity again, Spence. Guys, Benzinga.
All right, thanks a lot, David. And yes, born to be free in the chat. Smash that like button. Let's go. Get the likes up for David. We're at like, I don't know what we're at. What are we at? We're at 125. Oh, let's go. 126 now. Well, let's get to a 200 for David. Let's go. Dropping trades, live trades. Trading with David. The guy's been doing this for like 25 years. I don't know. Maybe more. 30? He's younger than he looks. I don't know. I don't know how to phrase that without sounding offensive. So I'm just going to get off. Okay. SPAX Attack is going live right now. The stream will end. To redirect to Mitch, Chris, talking SPACs to watch this week. And I'll be back with y'all at noon with Matt Hammond previewing the week in IPOs. Everyone have a good rest of your morning, and I'll see you over on SPAX Attack starting right now.